let me show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails for your storytelling channels using AI. And you can do it completely for free. Now, thumbnails are the first thing people see before they decide to watch your video. So it is what makes someone stop scrolling and actually click on your video. If your thumbnail is not attractive, not clear, or not visually strong, most people will just ignore your video, especially if you are just starting and they don't even know you. But when your thumbnail is bold, well-designed, and grabs attention instantly, it can pull in new viewers and grow your channel faster. So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through step by step how to create high-quality thumbnails using ChatGPT. Now go to ChatGPT and put this prompt. Using the attached pictures, create a beautiful YouTube thumbnail with the text, filtered lights. I want the text to be bold and beautiful. Make the thumbnail very beautiful, attractive, and well contrasted. So I am going to upload the images that I want to use. So this text, filtered lights, is the title that I want to add to the thumbnail, right? Okay, so you can paste your story on ChatGPT. That will improve your click-through rate if you are doing this on YouTube, right? So as you can see, I have pasted the prompt, and then I'm going to click on this plus sign to attach my photos. That's the photos that I want to put on the thumbnail. In my case, I have my characters generated already. So I'm going to go through my gallery and pick the characters that I want to use. So these are the characters that I want to appear. I'm going to pick 3. I can only select 3 pictures at a time. So I've selected those pictures and I'm going to click on this add to add, right? So it's going to add the pictures. So it depends on the type of image you want to use as a thumbnail. Sometimes if you have maybe just one scene, if you have just a photo of a scene that can create curiosity or can make people want to click to watch your video, maybe a particular scene that there's an action that will want to make them click. I know you understand what I'm trying to say. You can choose that image. One image is actually okay. So since we are creating YouTube thumbnail, we're going to put it here. We'll just specify, just to be on the safe side, we'll put aspect ratio. Just put aspect ratio 16:9. If you want to do thumbnails for TikTok, for example, you just put 9:16. If you want to do for Instagram, you put 1:1, right? So I'm going to do YouTube 16:9. Okay, so once I've added that aspect ratio 16:9, and then I'm going to hit generate and wait for it to generate, right? All right, so our thumbnail is ready. As you can see, this is so good. Like, what else do you need? This is really nice to me. And if you want to edit, you can decide to click on edit and add whatever area you want it to like modify. Whatever it is you want to modify, you can do so. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and download, just download on your device. So let's say you want to create the TikTok version, that's the 9:16 version of this particular thumbnail, this same thumbnail as it is. You want to create the 9:16 version. All you just need to do is to click on the image and then click on edit and click on change aspect ratio, right? So we're going to put story 9:16 and it's going to generate the 9:16 version for you. Now take a look at the 9:16 version. Wow. So it's like, let's say you are posting your stories on both YouTube and TikTok or other platforms. You can create your thumbnails within minutes, fit for any of those platforms. The same image, the same text, but it's going to fix it for you to make it, fit properly based on the social media platform you are posting. I hope this helps. Subscribe to this channel. If you are watching this video on other platforms, please follow me.